Sinimulan na ang US-Philippines Balikatan Exercise 2026 sa karagatan at dalampasigan ng Lapas Lawag City, Ilocos Norte. Lumahap dito ang hanin ng Armed Forces of the Philippines at ng US Army, pati na rin ang mga Japanese Army. Nakita natin ang pagbagsak ng mga drones na pinalipad ng mga sundalo, pati na rin ang mga unmanned ships.
Part of the annual Balikatan activities, it intends to promote interoperability not just inside the armed forces of the Philippines, but of course working with allied countries like the United States and Japan. So this is a joint and combined training exercise. We are simulating an exercise that has been part of the pre-planned activities that will not only deal with internal concerns or internal combat, of course, with anticipation of any force that might come from the shore, but not, and I would like to emphasize that it is not directed towards any particular country.
Sa Balikatan exercise ay sinubukan ng mga sundalo ang mga unmanned system ng tatlong bansa, kaya naman garantisado na maganda ang pagsasanay na ito.
Training that we're conducting as part of exercise Balikatan is becoming more complex across all domains: air, sea, and the land. And so we have to, in our modernization of our militaries, we look to modernize our capabilities with unmanned systems, not only in the air, but also in the sea. And you got to see that on display today. It's important to note that this is not just a U.S. Capability. This is a Philippines capability, Japanese capability. All of our like-minded nations are working towards having more capability that we can use unmanned systems to support our defense and our activities and our training.
Ang Balikatan exercise ay magtatapos sa 6 ng Mayo 2026. Kasama mo mula dito sa IFM Lawag, Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, RMN Network News.